Several years ago, I can remember being at a nursery in Holland where I spotted Loropetalum for the first ever time I'd seen it. And it's not because it hadn't been available or around actually in one form or another before that, but it was the combination I saw that particular day where you've got this incredible glossy burgundy foliage combined with these amazing flowers where I think they almost look like little fireworks or bits of coral almost when they explode into colour. And it was early in the year that I spotted this item, so it was around about April, May time, which is when Loropetalum, or Chinese Witch Hazel, which is its nickname, common name if you like, that's when it's at its absolute best. But make no mistake, this is a plant that will be for all seasons because the beautiful foliage is pretty much on the plant all year. As the plant grows and it produces fresh leaves, some of the lower leaves will drop and so on, but it will be in leaf pretty much all of the year. But it's that 2-month period when the flowers first emerge in springtime and then through to the early summer months where I just think it takes on a whole different complexion. And I've seen this planted in pots on patios. It looks incredible there, really as a standout specimen plant. I've seen it planted in gardens where perhaps you've got a fairly dull hedge, such as say laurel, or any particular green hedge that you might have like privet, or even, dare I say it, conifer hedges. Plant this in front of, but low down, and this will grow to around about 3 foot tall. So it creates like a burgundy apron along the front of that kind of setting. And it really does break up the garden and look incredible. And when the flowers are there in the springtime, it's just extraordinary. Now, in terms of how you grow this, very easy. It's hardy in the UK to -5. So if you live in a very exposed location, or we've got particularly cold weather, you might need to think about fleecing it. Or of course, if it's in a container on the patio, move it into a greenhouse if you've got one, or perhaps a garden shed, maybe into the garage temporarily during the coldest period. But pretty much blood, fish and bone every spring, dug into the topsoil. Let that feed it through the year. It will grow beautifully. The burgundy foliage will look amazing through the whole year, but those flowers in the springtime are just something very, very special in my opinion.